All right, so today I'm going to be making a beef bolognese with a potato gnocchi. To start off with, I'm going to sear off my mince. Don't be shy with the olive oil. So I want my pot really, really hot. If you have a cast iron pot or something really heavy, we want to get a nice searing and some deep colour here. So I reckon we're about ready to get our chorizo in there now. Pretty good. We got some nice caramel colours happening in there. What I'm going to do now is add my onions, garlic and chilli until they start to become translucent and soft. So we're going to add a few herbs into this now. Oregano, fresh marjoram, we're just going to throw that in there. So I'm just going to add about a tablespoon of tomato paste in there. If you're noticing that your mix is a touch dry, this is the time now that you can just give it another tablespoon of olive oil just to help fry that tomato paste a little bit. Now you can see that I'm getting some sticking in my pan around the edges. This is exactly what I want. So I'm just going to deglaze this now. I've got some nice colour. So you can see all that dark stuff starting to come away. It's time now to add our crushed tomatoes in. We're going to add our milk. This is just going to add a little bit more of a creamy element to it. Some people think it's weird to put milk in bolognese. I think it just makes for a softer mince and a little bit of creaminess. And then we'll season that up a bit. Heaps of cracked pepper. Leave it on medium heat. It's going to simmer away. I like to put a half lid onto it. I just want that to be able to steam a little bit, but also release some of the water content that's coming out of it. That's going to thicken up nicely. Should be really nice and tender. The longer you cook it, the better it's going to be. Okay, so we've let our bolognese simmer around 2 hours. It's nice and soft and rich and tender. Don't be afraid of making a little bit of gnocchi. It's easy as making mashed potato, to be honest. If you can make a mash, then you can make gnocchi. All you need to do is just monitor how evenly you distribute your flour, your cheese and your eggs. Nicely manipulate that together, and then you're going to roll some nice little logs with it. All we want to do is just take one of these little logs here and cut the sizing that we want. We're going to blanch these, and then we're going to stick them into a hot frying pan. And then it's very, very easy to tell when they're ready because they will float to the surface. That's bloody hot. What we're going to do is just take our gnocchi, which I guarantee you're going to get a flame up. And what we're looking for, a nice little bit of colour onto our gnocchi. We don't need to season those or anything like that. It's got plenty of salt that's happening in the recipe there. So we're just going to add all our gnocchi into our pan here. Just let them fall the way they fall. And then just going to add our bolognese. Freshly picked basil. And we're just going to shave some pecorino pretty heavily over the top. That's my beef bolognese with potato gnocchi.